Hello. I am making fear. Making my friend Fear. Fear. Yeah, it's literally that easy. It's literally that easy to make fear. Just cut out the letters. Boom, you've got yourself some fear. I'm also making blame, because it's just as easy to make blame. Cutting out my L right now. Wanted to share that with you, because I knew you would want to be in the loop. So, I'm gonna finish doing this. But fear and blame, they are fast friends. Fast friends. And they are always within sight of each other. So, as easy as it is for me to write these letters and cut them out of cardboard, it's as easy as fear and blame appear in life. We make them just as easily as we do just as easily as I'm cutting out these letters is as easy as we blame. We choose. I choose to cut out these letters. Choose, blame. That is how that goes. Yep. I'm gonna have to find another piece of cardboard for my M. Okay, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the premiere of Fear and Blame. I'm as excited as you are. I am. I'm as excited as you are. I'm counting the minutes. Counting the minutes. Cannot wait. Yeah. Okay.